Hi, this is Sarah from The Savvy Professor, and in today's video, we'll talk about how to fix a snowblower that won't start. Watch the video until the end to learn how to do this and more. The following are some of the reasons why your snowblower won't start: stale fuel or dirty spark plugs. Here's how to fix the issue. Drain the old fuel. Drain the old fuel from the tank, fill it up with fresh fuel, and then start your snowblower again. If this doesn't work, clean the spark plugs. To do this, use the following steps. Locate the spark plug on your snowblower. Using a spark plug socket and a socket wrench, remove the spark plugs. Look for built-up carbon residue on the threaded end of the spark plugs. Using a wire brush and a carburetor cleaner, clean off the buildup. Dry the spark plugs and reinsert them. So, there you have it. Follow these steps to fix your snowblower that won't start. Thanks for watching. Till next time.